But do you remember any words you can teach me in Russian?
Yes, there's like Pizdec.
Pizdec?
Yeah, that's a bad one.
What is it? Pizdec?
Pizdec.
You can't tell me?
I mean, I don't think I can say it in English either.
Really?
But it's like the...
I mean, you can't say it, or it's a bad word that you can't say on TV?
No, it's like the female region.
Oh.
I think, yeah, it's the female region. And
well, that's no fun.
Yeah, and then... quote, unquote, it's the female... But
I mean, I'd like to make it clear, I think the female region is fun.
There's...
But that's not one.
There's bliet, which is a really fun one to say.
Bliet?
Bliet.
Bliet?
Bliet, I think.
Bliet.
Yeah, like shit.
Well, that's one people would use all the time.
Yeah.
Bliet!
Bliet! And they combine them all together like Tourette's. They go, Pizdec nahoy bliet! And they're just like screaming.
They're yelling female region?
No, yeah, and then nahoy.
What?
Nahoy?
Nahoy means...
I believe it means on the penis. Like the direct translation, I think, is